Welcome back, my dear student. Today I will explain the second part of the chapter Wonder, and in the first part of the chapter, I will post the video in my YouTube channel. So, if you have to miss the first part of the chapter, so you you have to go on the my channel, and in the video or playlist you have to see. So let's start the video. And in this video, in the previous video, I will explain that Wonder is a novel about 10 years old boy named Aggie or August Pullman, and he has been homeschooled all his life. But when he turned 10 years old, he goes to the school for the first time ever. Okay, and it is hard for him because kids are mean to him and judge him just by looking at his face. Why? Because his face is a problem. It means his face is not good looking. Why? Because he has got 27 surgery, and Aggie doesn't let that bother him or get in the way of having fun with his friends. Okay, so today next part I will explain here. I can't stay. I always wanted to go to school because that wouldn't to exactly true. What I wanted was to go to school, but only if I could be like every other kid going to school, have lots of friends and hang out after school and stuff like that. Okay, so here's the Aggie says that it means August Pullman says that I can't stay. I always wanted to go to school. Okay, here's the Aggie says that he can't stay at home. Okay, he did not want to stay at home. He always wanted to go to school. Why? Because that wouldn't be exactly true. Okay, it means it will be not completely true that he wanted to go to school. What I wanted was to go to school, but only if I could be like every other kid going to school, have lots of friends and hang out after school and stuff like that. Okay, he only wanted to see many of the student go to the school, and he also want to go with him and make many of the friend like a other student, and also hang his bags or other instrument like it stuff things in a room. Okay, and then start the second story, and second part of the story. And this is the this story completely he talking with the Summer, a wired kid. Okay, a wired kid means he is strange. And so let's see here. Some kids have actually come out and asked me why I hang out with the freak. Okay, freak means here someone who is considered strange because of the way that looks. Okay, some kids have actually come out and asked me why I hang out with the freak. Okay, it means many of the student come out, and he actually come out and he asked me, and what that person that who does not even know him well. Okay, and what he asked why he hang out with the freak. Okay, freak means some who is considered strange because of the way they look. Okay, and they wouldn't call him that if they know him. Okay, and if they know about his face and they look his face and know very well about him, then he wouldn't call him. Okay, they leave that his condition. And next is because he is a nice kid, I always answer and don't call him that. Okay, and now it means August asked me about the Summer, and he is the good guys, and Aggie never called him and don't call him that. And some you are a saint Summer. Axima Chin said to me the other day, I couldn't do what you are doing. So here is the says Aggie to the summer, you are a saint. Okay, Aggie said to the summer, you are a saint, and Axima Chin said to me the other day. And in the other day, many of the persons says Axima Chin, and I couldn't do what you are doing. Okay, and he also said that I couldn't do what you are doing. It's not a big deal, I answered her truthfully. And then the Aggie answered, it is not a big deal, it is not a good deal. And next is Julian had nicknamed him a zombie kid. Okay, it means in the schools there is another student. His name is Julian, and he said to the August as a zombie. Okay, and that's what everyone was calling him. Okay, and many of the students also call him by the name of zombies. And did you see the zombies kids yet? And he says to the summer, did you see the zombie child yet? And the stuff like that gets around fast, and August knew it. It is hard enough being the new kids even when you have a normal face. Okay, and he says to the summer that it is very difficult to hear such type of the word. And if I August says that if he was a normal boy and his face is good, then he never listens such type of the word by the people. Okay, and kids even imagine having his face. Okay, and he also says that imagine about each such type of the face, what will be happen with you. Clear? And next, he is just a kid, the weirdest looking kid I have even seen. Yes, but just a kid. Okay, so he says that uh, about the kids, he is only a kids, and that wired looking kid I have even seen. It means he never see such type of the kids. Yes, just a kids. Okay, I don't admit August's face takes some getting used to. I have been sitting with him for 2 weeks now, and let's just say he is not the nearest eater in the world, but other than that he is pretty nice. I should also say that don't really feel sorry for him anymore. I keep sitting down with him because he is fun. Okay, and then August, it means Aggie says that about the summer, he spent many time with the summer, and many time he spent with the summer, and he never asked about the his face and other things, and he is the nearest eater in the world. Okay, that eating with him, but other than that he is pretty nice. It means the summer is a pretty nice, and he should also say that he don't really feel sorry for him anymore. It means uh, he wanted to express the extremely express to the sorry about his face, and he keeps sitting down with him because he is fun. Okay, I had warned mom about August face. I had warned mom about August's face. I had described what he looked like. I did this because I know she is not always so good at faking her feelings, and August was coming over for the first time today, and but I could tell from the expression on her face what she came home after work that I hadn't prepared her enough. Okay, and then the summer says that when his mother looked about August face, he uh, what he think about the August, and he had described what he looked like. It means he also says that the condition of the August in her own words, like as many of the person when looking someone, and he also react and express his own opinion and such like. The Summer's mother also expressed such type of the condition. He also expressed his feeling to the August. Okay, and because no, she is not always so good at faking her feelings. Okay, he is not expressed good feeling, fake good feeling, because he expressed his real feeling to see the August. Okay, and August was coming over for the first time today, and August is also coming at the home of Summer in a first time. And but I could not tell from the expression on her face when she came home after work that it means the when the Summer mother come home after the work and see the face of August, he also react as a different way after work, and I had prepared her enough, and August is already prepared for the reaction of his mother. Okay, she was shocked when she came through the door and saw his face for the first time. It means August Summers mother when looked him, she became very shocked when she looked the August face at a first time. He mom, this is Aggie. Can he stay for dinner? I asked quickly. Summer says to his mother that he, and I tell the name of his friend Aggie, and he also requests to his mother for the dinner with a friend that name was Aggie. It looks a second for my question to even registers. Okay, he take many time. He take some of the time to reply of my question, and he Aggie, and then he also welcomed the Aggie, and she said, of course. Okay, and he give his opinion as a positive and sweetheart if it's okay with Aggie's mother. And he also suggested to Summer if his mother is agree with Aggie, then he is also accepted him. But while Aggie called his mother on his cell phone, I whispered to mom, stop making that wired out face. And Summer requested to his mother and regarded to his mother that don't make such type of the face to looking up the Aggie. Okay, and she nodded quickly, and like she hadn't realized she was making a face and was really nice and normal to Aggie afterward. And when the Summer tell to his mother to make the good face and don't make bad shape to looking up the Aggie, his mother understand about the looking hearing this, and he realized that sorry for his reaction. And then he also show up as a good guy and really nice and normal to the Aggie afterward. After a while, Aggie and I got tired of the working on our project and went to hang out in the living room. After a while, it means after taking some time, Aggie and the Summer got tired, very tired after the working the project, and then both had the person went into the dining room living room and hang his project work and other things. Hey Aggie, can I ask you a question? And then someone asked to the Aggie, and he wanted to ask a question, and he requested to that he can ask a question to him. He said like he knew exactly what I wanted, and the Summer is Aggie is already know the question that the Summer is asked. Okay, and I hesitated. I have been wanting to ask him this for a while, but I have always lost the gust of gust to ask. Okay, and then uh, first in the first Summer hesitated. It means he wanted to ask, but he became hesitated. But I have been wanting to ask. It means Summer says that I wanting to ask his while, but I have always lost the gust to ask. He wanted to ask, but he cannot do what he said. It means Aggie asked to the Summer, "What you want to know? What's wrong with my face?" It means he know the story how his face. It means August face become such type. It means very bad looking. I guess if it's okay for me to ask, okay, and Summer says that if you want to say to me about the story of your this condition, then I also want to know. He shrugged, and I was so relieved that he didn't seem mad or sad. Okay, then August said to the Summer, I am getting relief when you think that he was not a mad or sad person. It's no big deal, he said casually. It means August said casually, it is not no big deal. The main things I have is this thing called man deep blue facial dyes of ptosis, which took me forever to learn how to pronounce. Okay, it means uh, August says the uh, syndrome of the disease like a mandibulofacial, and he take the many time to learn this name of the disease and pronunciation. By the way, but I also have this other syndrome things that I can't even pronounce. And he also said that it is the first name of the syndrome, and it's another name of the syndrome that he can't learn because he was very that name was very difficult. And these things kinds of just morphed together into one big super things which is so rare they don't even have a name for it. Okay, and morphed means change into the something different, and these things kind of the just, it means such type of the disease is the morphed. It means something different together into one big super things which is so rare. Rare means when you get looking some very literally. Okay, and they don't even have a name for it. Clear? And I mean, I don't want to brag of anything, but I am actually considered something of a medical wonder, you know. And it means Summer says to the August that he don't want to brag means boast. It means proud. Okay, boast or anything, but he is actually considered something a medical miracle. Okay, a medical wonder. If the medical have got different kind of the treatment for his face, and it will be miracle for him. And he smiled. It means August is smiled. That was a joke, he said. You can laugh. He said, it means August said that was a joke and he can laughed. It means August and Summer both are laughed, and I smiled and shook my head, and both are Summer is also smiled and also shook his head. Okay, and you're funny, Aggies, I said. Yes, I am. He said proudly, I am cool beans. And when the August said that you are very funny person, and then Summer is also said that yes, I am very funny and I am cool beans. Okay, and such the story is finished, and the August and Summer both are became a good friend and talking to each other and conversation many of the matter and became happy. So this story has been completed. I hope you all understand this story, and in the next video I will we will discuss about the exercise of this chapter. So thank you for the watching video. Best of luck.